CO2 in product side it is 1 mole. H2O in product side it is 2 moles. So 1 mole CH4 will react with 2 moles of dioxide. Then we are having the product 1 mole carbon dioxide and 2 moles water. It is from the equation. Value will be put from the equation. Now 1 molecule, it is 1 molecule. Methane will react with 2 molecules. Dioxygen, then product will be 1 molecule carbon dioxide and 2 molecule. MOL means it is not mole, it is molecule. It is in short form. Mole I have written full. Molecule I have written in short form. As per the standard temperature and pressure, as per the standard STP. STP means what? It is standard temperature and pressure. Volume of 1 mole is 22.4 liter. Volume of 1 mole, any molecule, we must take 22.4 liters. So 1 mole it is 22.4 liters. 2 moles means it is 2 into 22.4 liter means 44.8 liters. 1 moles means it is 22.4 liters. 2 moles means now I am writing directly 44.8 liters. Clear? Now mass. Mass of CH4 is what? Carbon is 12, 4 hydrogen is 4, so it is 16 grams. I am taking only round digit, not taking point. 1 oxygen is 16, total 4 oxygen, then it is 16 4s are 64 grams. Carbon is 12, 2 oxygen means 16 2s are 32, means it is 44 grams. Water is 18 grams, 2 molecule of water means it is multiplied by 2, it is 36 grams. This is the method to identify the mass. So now it is clear, methane is total 64 grams. Then methane is 16 grams, oxygen is 64 grams. Then carbon dioxide is 44 grams. Then water is 36 grams. You can explain this mass that 16 grams methane can react with 64 grams oxygen. Then we will have the product 44 grams of carbon dioxide and 36 grams of water. This is the explanation which is given in your textbook. Now number of molecule. So 1 mole having 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then we are having 1 mole, then it is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Number of molecule. 2 moles means what? 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Number of molecule. 1 mole means what? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. And 2 moles mean what? 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecule. This is the explanation which is given in your textbook. I have just given one table. With the help of this one table, you can easily remember all explanation which is given in your textbook. You can remember very easily M, V, M, and OM. M means mole, M means mass, V means molecule, V means volume, M means mass, and N of M means number of molecule. Order can be changed, it is not incorrect. You just M means take molecule, correct. M means take moles, correct. Start with mass, M is mass, correct. No problem, this sequence is not important. We must follow these 5 qualitative information so that we can express properly chemical equation. So now it is clear. You can express the combustion reaction of methane. Methane is reacting with dioxygen, product is carbon dioxide and water. One molecule of methane will react with 2 molecules of dioxygen, will give 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of water. 1 mole of methane will react with 2 moles of dioxygen, will give product 1 mole carbon dioxide and 2 moles H2O. 22.4 liters methane will react with 44.8 liters dioxygen, will give product 22.4 liters carbon dioxide and 44.8 liters water. Same, follow this table and explain everything. Very simple, very easy. Now it is clear. Stoichiometry, stoichion and metron means elements and masses or measures, gives quantitative and qualitative information. We are discussing quantitative information from the balanced chemical equation. Left hand side is reactant, right hand side is product, number of element, left hand side, number of right hand side, product, number of element must be equal. That is to be said balanced equation. I have given homework to you, 4 to 5 chemical equation. You must balance that equation and send me homework by today evening, and this also as a homework you have to send me 1 time by today evening. So watch my video twice, thrice, try to remember and make it sure that you are now confident. Thank you very much.